What's up guys? It's your girl Kenzie Kens and welcome back to my channel. Got another new video for you guys. If you haven't checked out my last two, you're gonna want to see those. This is the third part to that series, all about the Luster's Pink New Moisture Maintenance Collection. It's become a favorite quickly, and today we're going to be checking out one of their deep conditioners, the Super Hydrate and Shine Masque. Now, this line comes with two different hair masks. One is to repair and strengthen. This one is to hydrate and shine. My hair is dry, so we're going to go for the hydrate and shine today. Smells really nice and sweet, but also fresh. And ooh, she's thick, isn't she? Look at that. No movement. Nice and thick like I like them. Okay, let's take down this hair. This is what we're working with. This is formulated with avocado oil, mango butter, and shea butter, and it's labeled as an intense conditioning treatment. Intense, so I have high hopes. Yeah, I'll just be applying this mask, seeing what she's talking about, seeing what she's working with, and getting some moisture back into this hair. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, here's a quick peek at the before. As you can see, them ends, they're a little frayed, a little frazzled, they're hanging on for dear life, but it's okay, because that's why we're deep conditioning. Again, going in with the Super Hydrate and Shine Mask. This is an intensive treatment. It was my first time using it, so I was really excited. And as you can see from this texture, super creamy, super thick, and I am partial to thicker deep conditioners just because I have a lot of hair, and I just generally feel like thicker products just give me more bang for my buck. They give me more richness. I just feel like they're richer. My hair soaks them up. Anyway, first things first, got to get the water back into this hair. And so as you'll see in a moment, I am normal porosity, but kind of on the lower side. I would definitely say on the lower side. As you can see, this water is just dripping off of my strands. It's not, it doesn't get in there until I squeeze it in there. So that's definitely a tip for those of you who have lower porosity. Work that water into your hair. And then I'm just going to section off and start applying my deep conditioner. Now for the mask. This mask is described as the ultimate intensive treatment for dry, dull, unmanageable hair, okay? So, big claims there, big claims. And my first thought going on was that it was very great application. Had a lot of slip because as you can see, I'm clearly not in the shower. My hair was wet, but it wasn't soaking, so I was really impressed by the way I was able to finger detangle. As for the formula, this mask is formulated with plant-based hydrators, avocado oil, mango butter, and shea butter. So right there you have a nice trifecta of hydration, okay, for that moisture. There's also no mineral oil, petroleum, no silicone, so none of that yucky stuff, and that goes not just for this mask, but for the entire moisture maintenance collection. So really just great to see Luster's being so thoughtful about the formulation, and we love to see it. I'm gonna let the rest of these clips play, kick back, enjoy the music, get you a snack, okay? And we'll be back for the next step. I mean, this mask has a lot of slip. I said this mask has a lot of slip because I'm like not even going in with my brush yet.
Yeah.
Okay. They gave me this cap. This cap is for people with small heads. Here we go. Double up. Boom! Y'all know I play all day. But here I am using this thermal cap. She is filled with flax seeds. Okay, flax seeds hold warmth. So basically I pop this in the microwave for 30-second intervals. You don't want to get it too hot, but just warm enough that it's going to add some extra deep penetration to your deep conditioning, okay? Been about 30 minutes now since I applied the cap. I'm gonna take it off, rinse it out, and we'll be back with the results. All right guys, so I rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair, and here's what she's looking like. We have some definition back at the ends. Remember the frizz from before? And overall, I feel like it did what it came to do. My hair is much softer. I think my favorite thing about this product was the application process. The slip goes a long way. For those of you who didn't know, I actually don't use rinse out conditioners, or I use them very, very, very infrequently. I just go shampoo and then into deep conditioner. So my deep conditioner doubles as my detangler. That being said, slip is something that's really important to me. And as you guys saw when I was applying, I was able to glide right through my sections using just my fingers. And obviously going back in with my detangling brush just for good measure. But that's super important to me. So that's definitely my favorite thing about this mask. My hair is nice and soft, and that's all I'm really looking for, honestly. The second thing I really like about this mask is how thick it is. It's like, she's super thick. She's not going anywhere even if you turn her over. So no spilling in the shower, nothing like that. I can't stand a product that spills. And you see I have a good amount left, but my hair is thick. I like thick products. I like thick, buttery, creamy products, and that was what this was. So it just worked overall really well for me. I am curious to see what the difference is with the Repair and Strengthen mask, which is the other one in this line. But honestly, for me, when I'm deep conditioning, 9 times out of 10, I'm going for moisture and hydration because that's my concern. Sometimes I'll do a protein treatment, kind of deep conditioner, something infused with some protein. So that's probably when I'll give the other one a try. But generally, for my week-to-week deep conditioning, I'm going for hydration. So all in all, that's about it for this one, guys. I am gonna style my hair in a wash and go. If you're curious to see those final results, be sure to check out my previous 2 videos where I explored the other products in the Luster's Pink Moisture Maintenance line. Definitely follow me over on Instagram at Kenzie_Kens1. Thank you so much for watching, and leave me a comment down below. Have you guys tried anything from this collection? Are you feeling it? Are you gonna try something? Let me know. And until next time,